Want to enjoy theater-like sound at home? Here's how to connect and set up a soundbar with your Vizio Smart TV via optical cable. To begin the setup, take your optical cable, make sure the caps are off, then insert one end into your soundbar's optical port, push it firmly until you hear a click. Then plug the other end into your TV's optical port. After they're connected properly, make sure your soundbar is connected to power and turned on. After detecting the optical cable, your TV will switch to it on its own, and you can check that by trying to increase or decrease the volume using the TV remote. You'll see it won't respond. It's because when you're using optical, you'll need to use the soundbar's remote to control your TV's volume. In case the sound is still coming from your TV speakers, then you'll just need to switch the input manually. For that, press the settings button on the remote, go down to all settings, then audio, and if you see the audio out is not set to optical, just press the left or right button to navigate to optical/analog audio. You can also change the digital audio out to PCM. Now you'll be able to enjoy lossless music via optical audio on your Vizio TV. Hope you found this useful. Enjoy!